Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the surprise pickup from Palace Skateboards.com. This one is the Reacto P6 panel blue cap. So let's go ahead and get this box. So the cap is $48 and then plus $12 shipping fee. And there's no tax, so the total damage is $60. So I think there's an invoice in here. Let's take it out. So somehow there's no invoice this time, unless it's on the top, on the other side. So let me get it out. There's the classic Trifer white sticker that come with it. So somehow this time it did not get wrinkled, which is good. So as you can see, Reacto 6 panel blue, one size fit all, 48 plus 12, $60 total. Then here's your return form in case you need to return. A sticker that comes with it. And here's the product description, the size, style number, and your barcode. So it comes with this tag right here. It says Invisible Performance Module Tech. Ooh, made in Italy. So here's your pallets right here. And then on this side, this is the Invisible Performance right here. Let me zoom in for you guys to check it out. Made in Italy. Is your classic Trifer logo right here. And on the back, make sure you have the Reacto 6 panel. This is a 74% nylon, 26% cotton. There's cardboard that make your cap stay in shape. Got this nice Palace buckle right here. And then there's a Palace right here. This is not embroidery. This is like a plastic, almost like a vinyl. Feel like rubberized material in there. So let's go ahead and turn on the flash, see if it's changed to a different color. There's your Palace P logo right here. So I'm going to turn on the flash. I think it's gonna change or react to a different color. Let's go and try it. So it didn't really change anything when I turn on the flash. Unless the light hits it and it's gonna change in the dark or what. So I guess I did not change color, so on the website it shows a different color. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. This is a surprise pickup. When I was doing a video and everything was sold out, so I was just sticking around the website and somehow it popped back up. So I figured I might just copy it for you guys to do a review on, or hopefully you guys like it. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.